Welcome to FoolyFun. Come on, let's play. We're going to make Easter eggs today. You're going to need boiled eggs, and you're going to need crayons and different colors of dye, and you'll need some vinegar and cups. Hello everyone. How are you doing? First I gotta boil them. They're not hard boiled. First we have to boil the eggs. Oh. This should be good. Make sure you have an adult to help you. We have to make sure they're hard boiled, so they don't go bad. Yes. Wait for them to boil and let's watch. They're so great. Wait for them to, Abigail. You gotta put your cups out and put water in it. This is warm water. And I have a tattoo. It's an elephant. Don't you think elephants are blue? I know, they're blue. This is hot water, be careful. And then you have to put your cup in there halfway. And then put these in there and the eggs, and then let them sit for 5 minutes. Is this half? This is hot water, be careful. This is good. Whoops. It's okay. It's okay. No. Mom! Okay. Yeah, Abigail.
He spilled it, didn't he? He spilled it, didn't he?
No, right here. Just can't reach. We're gonna take each spoons of vinegar and put it in the cup.
How many tablespoons?
3.
2.
Oh yeah, 2.
You're gonna put 2 tablespoons of vinegar.
Yes, we're going to do it.
Okay, that's 1. Maybe just put 1 tablespoon in each instead of 2, because their cups are not that big, huh?
All right.
Yeah, that's fine. Just 1. Just 1 on each.
Maybe we'll take this one because we need a small one to reach up in.
Yeah, you made a mess, Abigail. Thank you.
It's slipping out.
Here, I'll help you.
Thank you.
Can I film and hold it?
Yeah, you have to film and hold it. I'm doing so easy now. Yes.
All right. Now we can get on to the fun part, which is...
These.
Yay! Look at all of our colors. We can have orange and red and green and blue and yellow.
Yeah, the colors. Let's move on.
You're gonna put just a couple drops
How much?
in each one.
How many?
Probably like 3 short little drops. No. Pour it. Yeah. Pour it real slow. That's good. That's good. Yeah, that's good.
Ooh, it's making it yellow.
Yeah, good job.
Take it away.
Okay, that was yellow.
Time for red, number 2.
Okay, put it in a different cup, okay? We have 1 red and 1 yellow. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's gonna be really good. Okay. Ooh. And is this the yellow one? Awesome.
Take this one away.
Okay, got red.
Green is my favorite actually, but orange is more. Oh no, the plastic.
Oh, this one's new. Have to open it.
Go. Mmm. When to stop. Let's do this, okay?
Okay.
Hey, stop! You have to stir it in.
Is that bike?
Now, you have to get your big spoon.
Eggs.
No.
Be careful, don't plop it in there. Use your other hand. Okay.
Whee! We did the red last time. Whee! We need some more.
We'll have to do them in a minute.
Yes.
Yeah.
We have to let these ones.
Yeah. So let it sit for about 5 minutes. And the yellow and the orange take longer. And if you want the red to be more red than pink, then I have to wait a little bit longer too. So wait 5 to 10 minutes and take your eggs out after that.
We have to get them colored on both sides. So we have to halfway turn them over.
So halfway during the time you wait, you have to turn them over.
Oh no!
Die, yeah.
No.
So just turn it over and move on. Okay, now let's wait the remaining minutes.
We have to wait for many minutes. We have to wait for let's just wait for them. Wait for the remaining minutes. At least.
5 more minutes.
Yeah, 5 more. Feet. Yeah, feet. I have feet. Look. Say feet. These are feet. You want to rub them? Want to massage? Yeah, I'm getting fur. I mean hair. Just like Daddy. And I'm growing. Yeah, we got tickles.
You like eggs?
She says no.
Do you like eggs?
Yes, and she doesn't.
And she doesn't.
Yeah, girls don't like eggs, not really.
Your baby sister doesn't like eggs.
Yeah,
But your mommy likes eggs.
no. I never seen you eat eggs before. No, you eat. I never
Eggs.
seen you. No.
It's your sponge. Okay, clean up, and we'll be back in a minute.
We'll be back in a minute. Until 1 more minute. Hey, you can make great designs with eggs and draw on it. And make dinosaur ones. Or duck ones. Or chicken ones. Or whatever. So let's do it. An egg, Humpty Dumpty said on the wall. Draw a design. Not there. This one.
On the egg. Draw on the egg.
No!
Go ahead and draw on the egg, Abigail. It's okay.
What? Is it hard boiled?
Yeah, it's okay. A, you draw an A. Okay, go ahead.
Let me see.
Wow.
That's another great design.
Draw a great design, Abigail.
I drew a Humpty Dumpty great design. Wait!
Yeah, draw a design, Abigail. Draw. Yeah, doing good job. Draw on it. Yeah, draw with your crayon. Good job.
I made a zombie. This is the tongue and this is the mouth. It doesn't have teeth. What? Whoa!
Wow.
I made one tooth because all of its teeth fell out. I made a great design.
Are you thinking about what to make, Abigail? Oh, pretty. That's pretty, Abigail.
It's okay.
You getting some ideas from brother? Hey.
Don't give her one.
All right, thanks, Abigail. Okay, let's see what you came up with. It's looking good.
We're gonna put the rest of the eggs in the dye.
So we have to take these out.
Here we go with a slotted spoon. It's a head. You gotta have a snail or something.
Okay, touch it with your finger and put it in the bowl.
I'll put the eyeball on. Eyeball. Ooh! Let's see if this one is pink. Turned out great and pink. 2 little slotted eggs. Take this one away.
What you doing, Abigail?
Shoo, Daddy.
Shoes?
That's gonna be good. No. Yeah, that should do.
Okay, we have blue and orange, and the blue and orange didn't turn out too well, but they do have some color on them.
Blue doesn't have very much. Oh my goodness.
This one's orange. It didn't turn out too good. This one's blue.
It did.
But this one's red, yellow, and green. So those colors turned out really well. You have to be careful which type of food coloring that you use.
Happy Easter. When you're done, you get a special treat. Subscribe for more videos. I hope to play with you next time. Click on my other videos to watch them. Come back for more adventures.